Precision is mission-critical in modern manufacturing. Carr Lane is a global leader with 100,000-plus precision tooling components, backed by 70 years of innovation, U.S. manufacturing, and a newly established facility in India. At Carr Lane, critical work holding and fixturing components are produced through advanced in-house processes.
Precision is not just a capability at Carr Lane, it's the commitment that makes us the world's preferred source of tooling components. Our extensive product range solves real manufacturing challenges, improving setup time, enhancing accuracy, and ensuring every part performs as it should. We spent 70 years becoming the preferred source for manufacturers who need their tooling on time and working right the first time, every time.
Dedicated storage, inspection, and precision gauges ensure consistent quality. Certified in-house testing and engineering support ensure safety, performance, and innovation. Delivering precision solutions for aerospace, automotive, medical, and industrial MRO worldwide. From alignment pins and clamp assemblies to tooling blocks and work-holding solutions, Carr Lane covers your essential industrial tooling needs.